Hello everyone, what's up yo? How you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome guys to the new subscribers. Karibuni sana. And if you have not subscribed, kindly guys please subscribe. We are on our road to 10,000 subscribers. We are not starting small, we are starting big, because dreaming big, we are never limited. So guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And to my subscribers, thank you very much for always supporting my content and appreciating. So on today's video guys, I'm going to review the Oraimo cordless S3 vacuum cleaner. This is how it looks. This is what I'm going to be reviewing today. I noticed when we buy these things, we would want to learn something either before we get it or after we get it. So I'll be reviewing these guys for you to see its use, whatever it comes with, how to clean it. So guys, please stay tuned till the end of the video. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. The subscribing is free. Just hit the red subscription button and let's get to the video. For start, we have this. This is the stick. Can I call it the stick? This is where you connect the head with the motor and the battery, and this is where you connect whatever you use to clean. Yep. And it is bendable. It's very bendable. Like you can clean under the bed, under the table, anywhere. Yes. I'm placing them on there. No. This is what you use to vacuum your, what do you call it? Your carpet, your mat. This is what you vacuum with. This is how it looks. Come closer. So it closes. This is where the sticks comes in. Yeah. And it's still movable. You can, very movable. And it has wheels for easier movement while cleaning. Yeah. Alright, next we have this is the head with the motor and with the, this is where you put the battery. Very nice charging. I will show you how to clean with the vacuum. Yes, this is the start button. This is where you press for you to dispose the dust. Yes, and for you, this thing from here to here, it's removable for cleaning purposes. So when you press once, you press it to remove dust. For you to remove this, you press completely till you hear that click sound, and it is very easily to remove this. Yeah, this is what you get after you remove this part. And you hold it this way to avoid breaking this when it falls down. You can also clean this using water. Actually, when you buy it, you can read the manual. The whole thing is clean. You can clean it using water, but you dip it. Yes, you can clean it from top to bottom. You can clean it using water, running water, but you leave it to dry for 24 hours. This is the dust container. Yeah. Next, we have the manual. And we have, I've already used mine, so Like everything is just all over. I don't remember what this was called, but it is the cleaning in between the seats. Yeah. Put it back. This is for mounting it on the wall. Yeah. Now it has this other part that is used to vacuum the mattress. Maybe when you have birds in your bed, you can use this for even dusting your mattress. I've used it. Perfect. See, this is how it looks. Yeah, this is what you use to clean your mattress, to dust your mattress with. Okay, wonderful. And next, it comes with an extra top because it is touch screen. It comes with an extra top. When the one you're using the breaks or whatever, this is what you use. It comes with an extra one. I have not mastered the names yet. Please don't mind my terms. So it has a flash and you can use it to section dust in between spaces that you can't reach. Yeah. Then we have the brush. I've already used mine to dust the whole vacuum. Yeah. Then I don't know what this is. It's time I learn what it is. Then that's what that comes. That's what you get from the box, all of it. Now, when it comes to cleaning the vacuum, you can wipe it, the whole thing, the thing that is not removable, you can wipe it with something down. But whatever that is removable, you can clean it using running water. So let's come to removing this thing. I've showed you how to remove. You have to use a lot of strength. For me, I struggled for the first 2 days because I thought when I press it harder to remove this dust container, I might break it. And you know, when you buy something and it destroys the first few days, it hurts. So you have to be careful. But I guarantee you, when you push this harder, yeah, when you push this harder, it doesn't break. You're able to remove this dust container. So don't be afraid to do what, to remove it. Now let's go to returning the container. You just align it. When you look here and here and the top of the container, just align it and you'll be able to return it easily. Let's return it. Voila, it's inside. Yeah. So this is it. Now that's how you clean that chicken. This place gets dusty, you can just wipe it, but this one is removable and you can clean it using running water. And next is cleaning this thing. I don't know if this part is removable, but I doubt it's removable. So the only part I know is removable is this brush. This brush is removable. So there's a place here. You press, you pull. When you pull it, you're able to remove this part, to be able to remove the brush. So you pull and you have the brush out, yeah? And you're able to remove this. Voila! Now you can wipe that place, and you also wipe this one. I don't know, you can clean it with running water. Not sure. But once you clean it with running water, make sure it's not a part that will destroy when it gets in touch with water. So you just wipe this and you wipe that area and you return it. Returning is easy. You return it as you removed it. So let's return it for those who would want to just see everything done. Then return this. So returning as well, you have to press this, clean it, and you return it very easily. That's it, guys. I don't think there's anything else. Maybe showing you how I clean using a vacuum, like how you put in the battery, how you switch it on, how you, yeah, let me show you guys. This is the battery. This is how it looks. This is the battery. Yeah, and it also comes with its charger. That's its charger. Now, let me show you how I put in the battery. Yeah. So, when you look at the head and the battery, there's that part in there, and there's this part. So, you just align it with whatever you see there, and putting it in, it's just, oh my god, sorry, putting it back in, it's easy, that's right, this way, oh god. It's in. I didn't put this right, so let's do it together. You hear the click sound, yeah, and you press it and it does. Oh, that's tight. So you press here to start it, and this is what it shows when you start it, and also what you press to increase power. Let's see. And that's it, guys. That's what you get when you buy the cordless oraimo vacuum, oraimo S3 vacuum cleaner. So I think I'll show you how to use it, right? So you already have the battery and the dust container. It's fully charged. You connect this. Yep. Let me put this first. It's on. So Then next is this one. Now let's get to showing you how I use it for cleaning. So that's it, guys. On today's video, that's the review of the cordless oraimo S3 vacuum cleaner, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and comment. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. We're not even 1,000 yet, but I know by faith and by hard work and by your love, I'll be able to get there, guys. So please subscribe. Please tell a friend and tell a friend, tell a family, and tell them to subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Bye bye, guys. Please subscribe. Love you all. Bye.